Welcome to CELUM, the content hub for SAP C4HANA. Today, it's all about world-class customer experiences. You know that. And they need to be powered by superior content experiences. Well, CELUM addresses the typical challenges in marketing, which is first that content is most of the time expensive in production, and it's really sad to see that it's not really used, it's inefficient, and it's siloed. On the other hand, the workforce to work around content and in general marketing is limited. So, you need to bring content and collaboration together. And this is exactly what we do in our Content Collaboration Cloud. We bring together the advantages of a world-class digital asset management, enterprise grade, with the ease of agile collaboration tools. And this is exactly what you need to make your teams more efficient. And by doing so, we are solving your challenges. First of all, to manage complex product content in addition to the SAP Product Content Hub, to keep your brand consistent on a global level, to bring more efficiency into the collaboration with creatives, and of course, think the whole product stories omnichannel. In regards to SAP C4HANA, we add content experience to the clouds from SAP, like Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, but all the others. But why SAP and CELUM in general? Well, simply because it works. We have a strong partnership since almost 12 years. We can look at a global common ecosphere of implementation and technology partners, and we have so many successful clients running SAP C4HANA and CELUM connected. So this is best of breed at its best, and I will tell you some more insights about the whole thing. In general, the solutions we provide are Brand Content Hub, Product Experience Hub, that means that extends classical PIM around real experience. And yeah, online marketing, content review and approval. This simply gets your team more close together, or includes agencies, for example, into the whole game, because you're collaborating around agencies and projects and so on. And the whole collaboration becomes agile with CELUM, as maybe you're using those Kanban boards or things like that, and we simply bring that nearer to your content. Also, we help you to enable your sales and field service people by providing them with the latest material without that they have to ever do anything, because it's simply synced to their desktop. But more on that later on. And we do the whole thing in a usability that users love, which is absolute key for success and acceptance in your teams. And I think it's the best way to really experience CELUM is to have a look on our user interface. So let's dive deep into that. For example, a really cool customer is Got Sports. If they enter their system, it looks like that. They have a nice dashboard. In general, the system is always branded to your brand. Also, we're ready for multi-brand scenarios. And if you then enter the Explore view of CELUM, you immediately see with one look to the assets which status do they have. For example, here you see they are copyright protected, and in this case they are used in the WordPress blog. That's easy, without doing anything. If you want to know more, you can dive deeper into metadata, or really go more deep into the whole thing. Look at metadata, copyright information. That the whole metadata model is very flexible. It can be adapted to you and to special asset types. I won't go too much into detail in this high-level overview. It's mainly also about searching content. You can do that in a structured way. Some people think more structured. The other ones like to have a Google-like search. So you simply use the search here, and you directly find the right structures or assets you're looking for. And if you're looking for more advanced search functionality, we have really a lot to offer. You can basically search through all available categories and those categories of course vary with what you have into the system. Of course, we also do things like AI tagging, that you save your time for all the manual stuff, and yeah. But also it's a lot about collaboration. What is collaboration? It We mean collaboration around content. That could be a campaign, like in this case, it's a marketing project, and that happens in a so-called workroom. You can have a description for the workroom. You could have a little list of milestones, for example. You see what happened here, and you also see the people who are involved in that. Could also be externals, like agencies. And in Content Hub, it's a lot about structure and tags. Here, it's much more about collaboration, right? It's about adding comments, for example. In this case here, you see a task, crop the image to square. If you click it, you see how it looked before. It becomes a breeze to have the overview about versions and things like that. And it becomes very easy, without writing emails or picking up the phone, to, for example, add a comment to the assets, especially if you work in a I don't know, in the shared offices. You're not sitting together in the team. You directly make a task out of that command. You assign it to the right people. If you want, you can even give it a due date if you need the stuff. And you have everything very handy in an overview, which is agile. So you have always a Kanban board for each campaign, every project. You can prioritize tasks up or down. You can assign it to different team members. You can filter it that you only see your own tasks. And the best thing about it, that all the content of the campaigns or workrooms you're part of is directly synced right to your desktop. So you already have the content. And if you get a task, for example, on a big video file or something like that, you don't have to download it, you already have it. You simply open it, and if you did the task, you only save it. All the versioning, re-uploading is being taken care of by CELUM in the background. Of course, that works also for videos. For example, here there was a task, inserts the names of the bikers. It's already done in the latest version on the left side. So that will make your collaboration around content so easy. And I think it's really important nowadays for a modern digital asset management to also cover collaboration, because you want to have covered the whole content lifecycle, right? Also, we go into solutions like Adobe InDesign, where creatives work together. We have a widget here on the right side where you can simply drag and drop assets right out of CELUM into the system. The creatives have never to leave the solution. It's automatically linked, and you can upload it right back to the Content Hub. That saves so much time that you stay working on one single source. And yeah, after it was uploaded, if you look back to the system and look up for that InDesign, you directly see, for example, which metadata you have, but also, and that's more interesting here, which assets are being used in the InDesign. We do that automatically in the background. The creatives simply stay in InDesign where they are fast and quick. And yeah, also the other way around, this asset is being used in that marketing brochure. So you always have the overview. And this is just a super small example of what you can do in general with us. One integration of many. We have a huge marketplace, because all the connections you want to do beyond SAP, we have standard connectors for example, for CMS solutions, for web to print solutions, for social media management solutions, digital signage. Everything you could think about where you need content, we bring it there in an integrated way. This is our main strength, that you can look at those use cases absolutely connected in the future. Talking about use cases, this is what we mainly take care for with our Content Hub, like breaking down your silos, helping you to handle and in general tag and share big files, provide assets to the right audience. You just saw that with CELUM Drive. We help you to be more structured and agile in collaboration. We help you to save time and resources, because we automate how you push content into channels. in general, also how you provide content with highly available CDN links. We take care for copyright, digital rights in general, and so on, and so on. Again, this is just a very high level overview. We help you to disrupt how you tell your stories. Think about content marketing and how you with your team work together in a very efficient way. About the company, we're in the market since 20 years. We're nearing 1,000 customers. We are very proud on that. Austrian company, completely owner run. So we have no venture capital in the company. That means we are only dedicated to the vision of you, our customers, and we invest a lot in R&D that keeps us one of the innovation leaders in the industry. And looking at some customer references, we are very, very proud to have great success stories across industries. If you want to learn more, just let us know which success story you are interested in, and we can send that over, no problem. Maybe you discovered some advantages of combining SAP and CELUM now, so don't hesitate. Write us at hello@celum.com. We are happy to help you and to add content experience to your customer experience. Many thanks for taking your time. Bye bye.